I'm a security worker. I'm on a 0-hour contract, which makes life a little bit more difficult, I gather. But mainly, I just want to sort of work out with the notice periods and things like that. Is it still the same for 0 hours, or is it going to be different?
It is. The law deals with this. Now, 0-hour contract workers have certain restricted rights, but they do have the right to a statutory redundancy payment and notice. And the way it's worked out is that your pay over the last 12 weeks before your last day of work will be averaged out, and then your redundancy payment will be calculated based on that.
So, I mean, I've worked my company for 8 years now on the same kind of contract. Does that differ it?
How old are you, Luke?
34.
Okay, so you'll get 8 weeks' pay as redundancy, and as I say, it's worked out based on the average pay you've had in the 12 weeks before your job ends. But I'm afraid the fact you've worked for 8 weeks on a 0-hour contract doesn't, by some process of legal osmosis, change it into a fixed contract or a non-0 hours contract. It stays a 0 hours contract, I'm afraid.
So I only get paid the 8 weeks and not like a notice period or anything like that?
You'll get 8 weeks statutory redundancy. You'll also get a notice period, and the notice period is also based on your average weekly earnings. And the notice period, unless your contract says different, and it won't, is a week per year. So that's also 8 weeks.
So 8 weeks.
So
8
that's
weeks
16 in total.